So for Career Development Week, we have put on a session, a 2-day workshop called New Use. We've had a ton of donated leather offcuts from a local company called Aldridge Trimmings.
Aldridge Trimming have donated 13 bags of leather to help the students with experimentation. We're looking to strengthen the partnership with the university, offering lots of different placements such as web design, graphic design, upholstery, textiles.
So I'm here to have a look at and learn about leather. I've never used that textile before, so I'm just trying to use leather, and it's been really interesting.
So it's really, a 2-day workshop showing different techniques, letting the students play and explore these materials to see if we can find some kind of solution for the waste.
I've been learning how to attach things to the leather garments that I've been making, and also cutting it. It's completely different cutting material.
With it being outside their taught sessions, I think it gives them a bit more freedom. There's no pressure, they're not. This is not building towards a module's work. So actually, it's a couple of days where they can come in, just play and explore, and it might inspire their next project actually.